Madhya Pradesh Congress President Jeetu Patwari strongly criticized Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. He said the Chief Minister is not doing his work properly and should go to an ashram for self-reflection. Patwari claimed that such a statement reduced the dignity of the CM's position. He also called Mohan Yadav a fake farmer's son. Patwari said that driving a tractor does not mean a person is a farmer because even a driver can drive a tractor. He accused the state government of taking loans and using advertisement to show the CM as a farmer's son. According to Patwari, this image is only for publicity and does not reflect the real truth. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav strongly criticized the Congress party, accusing it of spreading lies across the country in the name of Manrega. He said Congress has misused welfare schemes and name of great leaders only for political benefit. The CM made these remarks while addressing a state-level workshop of the VBG Ramji Jan Jagran Abhiyan at the BJP office. State BJP President Hemant Khandelwal, Organization General Secretary Hitanand Sharma, senior leaders and district-level workers were present at the event. The CM said people now understand the truth behind Congress campaign. On Swami Vivekanand Jayanti and National Youth Day, a large-scale mass Surya Namaskar program was organized across Madhya Pradesh. The program started at 9:30 am. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav attended the state-level event at Subhash Excellence School in Bhopal. He advised youth to stay away from drugs and bad habits. The CM said at least 30 minutes of yoga daily is very important. He expressed concern that reading habits among youth are declining and urged them to focus on studies along with sports and yoga. Deaths due to drinking contaminated water in Indore are not stopping. On Monday, the death toll increased to 23. The latest victim was 64-year-old Bhagwan Das Bharne, who was hospitalized for around 10 days. He was first admitted to a private hospital and later referred to Bombay Hospital. Hospital officials said he suffered cardiac arrest on arrival and put on a ventilator after CPR. Doctors said he had gangrene and multi-organ failure. The incident has raised serious questions about water safety and health management in the city. Preparation for the Madhya Pradesh budget for the financial year 26-27 have begun. Deputy CM and Finance Minister Jagdish Devra said the budget will be prepared with public suggestions. He recently attended a pre-budget meeting of state finance ministers in Delhi chaired by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. During his visit to Jabalpur, Devra said the state has demanded a special package of Rs 20,000 crore from the centre for the 2028 Simhastha festival. He said the government wants inclusive development through proper financial planning. Leader of opposition Umang Singhar visited Rajpur in Barwani district to meet former Home Minister Bala Bachchan. He paid tribute to Bachchan's daughter Prerna Bachchan, who recently passed away. After offering condolences, Singhar targeted the BJP government over death caused by contaminated water in Indore. He also questioned the government on cleanliness award amid such incidents. Several Congress leaders accompanied him during the visit. The event remained emotional, with leaders expressing grief and raising concern about governance and public health issues in the state. A video from Shahdol has gone viral showing a female teacher dancing with students inside a government girls' school classroom. The incident took place at Mata Shabri Government Girls' School in Sohagpur. In the video, the teacher and students are seen dancing to a Bhojpuri song with suggestive lyrics. Students were wearing a school uniform inside the classroom. After the video surfaced, parents expressed strong anger and concern over such activities in a learning environment. The incident has raised questions about discipline and responsibility in schools. Bhopal will observe a local holiday on January 14th on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. The General Administration Department approved the proposal sent by Collector Kaushalendra Vikram Singh. Apart from Makar Sankranti, local holidays will also be observed on Anant Chaturdashi, Mahanavami and Bhopal Gas Tragedy Remembrance Day. In total, there will be 4 local holidays in the year. Due to this decision, more than 30,000 government officers and employees in Bhopal will benefit from these local holidays. Cold wave and dense fog continue to affect northern Madhya Pradesh. On Monday morning, Gwalior Chambal region witnesses heavy fog badly impacting daily life. Datia recorded the lowest temperature in the state at 5.4 degrees Celsius. Due to poor visibility, road traffic slowed down and several trains were delayed. Rail services in many areas were affected, causing inconvenience to passengers. The weather department has warned that cold and foggy conditions may continue for the next few days, and people are advised to take precautions.